What's up, guys? Barex here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day today. And I'm not going to be playing no games today. No games being played. I am going to be eating this thing. Oh, baby. Alright, this thing, it's a ghost pepper. A ghost Hut Jacoli chili pepper. Okay? And it's the hottest chili pepper in the world. Discovered by this doctor. Shout out to you, doctor. Don't know what your name is, but shout out to you, man, for finding this thing so it could kill me. So I have 2 drinks over here. When I do eat this thing, I'm gonna need drinks. I have milk and oh wait, this is stuck onto it. Hold on. And I have my leftover banana smoothie that I was drinking today. I don't know if it's gonna help it or not, but screw it. I'm gonna eat it. I already had a piece of this off the top, and let me just tell you guys. It hurts. Let me just tell you, it just hurts. So I'm just gonna eat half of it because it does say that eating too much of this pepper in a short period of time can kill you. Let me just tell you that. And I don't know how my body's gonna react to it. So I'll just eat half, and then I'll eat half right after I swallow this part. But let's just hurry up and get this stuff down. I'm gonna take my phone out of my pocket just in case I gotta call 911 when I'm talking like this because I can't breathe. Let's do this. Oh, my heart's beating so fast, it's not even funny. It's all a mental, a little bit physical. It's not that bad. Alright. Oh! Oh! Ah! That's all gone. I just bit half of that. Please wait a second. Oh my god. That actually really hurts my throat. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. That actually, it feels like my throat's like bleeding. I just want a little sip, just a little sip. Oh, that makes it so much better. Alright, it's all mental, all mental stuff. I'll eat a little bit more. It's not bad. It's a little bad. The milk tastes so bad. Ugh. Just go for it. Oh no no. Oh my god, there's so many seeds. Let's see if this helps a little bit. That helps a little bit. Oh my god. It tastes so... Pepper doesn't even taste good. I hate peppers. There's ice stuck in here. It's like down here. That actually really hurts. Oh. I don't have enough milk to keep going. It like burns like right here so bad. Like I can't like gargle or anything like to get it. Don't eat this. It's suicide. I couldn't finish it. I got 3/4 of it done. I can't get that other quarter of it. All seeds. All hotness. It sucks so bad. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more. I'll be out with the Minecraft video tomorrow. See you guys later. Peace.